Hi, here me and my team is here to present our design project on the topic E3 shelter, which means eco-friendly, economic, and energy-efficient shelter. Our main aim is to create a most cost-efficient and durable and eco-friendly building. In modern times, we are using mostly in conventional method, the cost of construction and the building materials are high. To avoid this factor, we are using some eco-friendly and biodegradable materials such as bamboo and waste concrete and coconut shell. In the current scenario, the use of the plastic materials and the waste materials are increasing. To avoid the increase in this, we are using some natural and biodegradable materials. Our main objective is to plan, design, and construct an eco-friendly building which is economic and energy efficient. Our methodology. Firstly, we are planning about the construction and the materials required for our construction. Then designing. The designing means designing the structure, calculating the load and the shape and the structure and the size of the columns and beams and the slabs. Next, the collection of materials. In our eco-friendly and economic building shelter, we are using the coconut shell and bamboos as reinforcement and aggregate. So we are collecting this material, then cleaning in order to make the strength given and given. We are cleaning this material. Then we are finding the mixed proportion which is giving them highest strength. Then casting our structures, columns and beams and curing for 28 days for getting the maximum strength. Then the wall construction for covering four sides and finally we are roofing and plastering. Next slide. Planning. The current scenario is increasing the quantity of the waste material. We are using the use and throw concept of consumerism. The main part is the cost effectiveness and the durability. Durability, which means the long lasting and the suitability. Here we are using the bamboo as the reinforcement, coconut as the aggregate, mainly the strength and the local availability of the materials. Here these shelters are eco-friendly, innovative designs and method of constructions are mostly economic and eco-friendly. Next, Ajoy.
Okay, then there are the components of different components we are using for the E3 shelter. First one is slab. The size of the slab is 4.1 meter into 4.1 meter. It is a square shaped structure. Thickness is 150 mm. The 10 mm diameter of the bamboo is provided with a spacing of 80 mm. Next slide. Next component is a beam. The total load acting on the beam is 32 kilonewton. The span of the beam we are taking is 4 meter. The size of the beam also is 225 into 250 mm. The reinforcement is the 3 bars of 16 mm diameter at a torsion zone and 2 bars of 10 mm diameter at the compression zone. The column, the total load acting on the column is 49 kilonewton. The size of the column we are using is 225 into 225 mm. The reinforcement is 4 bars of 12 mm diameter at the corners. The tile is 5 mm diameter tile at 180 mm center to center. Next slide. We are creating an E3 shelter in square shape. Its length into breadth into height is 4 meter into 4 meter and 3 meter. Bricks of size 19 into 9 into 9 are used for this wall of E3 shelters. Next slide. The foundation of E3 shelter. First, there are 4 points. First is the selection of sites. There is no specific criteria following in the selection of the site for construction. The leveling before the evacuation process, we want to make sure that there is a scope for vegetation and brushwood and stumps of shade, trees, etc. Marking on the ground. Before the evacuation, we should mark the areas we want to dig it up. So we want to uh, use the plumb wooden pegs and drive into the ends. We should mark that. Excavation. The marking done for the pillars is evacuated up to the 2 feet depth. Evacuation is carried mainly by the pickaxe, crowbars, etc. Next. The wall construction, where walls are constructed using bricks and vertically and proper dimension are maintained. The length is 400 centimeter, height is equal to 300 centimeter, and the width we are using is 20 centimeter. The types of cement is using is OPC cement. Next slide. Next, I am handovering to Sachin.
The materials used for the construction of E3 shelters are bamboo, coconut shell, concrete waste, cement, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate. The first one is bamboo. We use bamboo as a replacement of steel. Bamboo shows similar properties to that of steel. While using bamboo, we only use bamboo showing a pronounced brown color. That ensures that the bamboo is at least 3 year old. And size of the bamboo should be less than 2 centimeter, and it should be seasoned bamboo. For seasoning, the bamboo is kept under sun for about 4 weeks, and the bamboo is provided with waterproof coating. And the bamboo provide a tensile strength of 370 MPa. And the next material is coconut shell. We use coconut shell as a partial replacement of coarse aggregate for making the concrete. We replace about 30% of coarse aggregate with the coconut shell. For the 30% of replacement, about 10.8% of cement is additionally added to the concrete. And the coconut shell is dried under sunlight for about 30 days, and it is then broken into small pieces of size 5 mm to 20 mm, and it is again dried under sunlight for about 30 days, and it is then submerged into water for about 24 hours before it is used for the preparation of concrete. And while we replace 30% of the coconut shell, the density of the concrete decreases 7.5%. And the coconut shell provide a compressive strength of 24.2 MPa. And the next one is concrete waste. We use concrete waste as a partial replacement of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. About 30% of the coarse aggregate and fine aggregate is replaced by concrete waste. The crushed concrete waste is used as coarse aggregate, and the powdered form is used for fine aggregate. The water absorption of concrete waste is more, but the specific gravity is low. The compressive strength is approximately same as that of the concrete produced with normal aggregates. Next we use ordinary Portland cement for our construction purpose. As per IS 269, the properties of ordinary Portland cements are: it have a specific gravity of 3.12, and it have a fineness of 225 kilogram per meter square. And the normal consistency of the cement is 29%, and it provides a maximum soundness of 10 mm. And the initial setting time of the cement is 30 minutes, and its final setting time is 600 minutes. And the cement has a bulk density of 830 to 1650 kilogram per meter cube. Next one is fine aggregate. We use manufactured sand as a fine aggregate. M sand have a specific gravity of 2.68, and the fineness modulus is 5.2. It have a water absorption of 7%, and it provide a smooth texture. The coarse aggregate we used is the 20 mm size of, and the 20 mm size coarse aggregate have a specific gravity of 2.7, and it have a fineness modulus of 7.15. Water absorption of the coarse aggregate is 8%, and it have an impact value of 8.5% and crushing value of 18.5. And we use angular shaped coarse aggregate for our construction purpose. Next one is mild steel. We use the mild steel we use having a specific gravity of 7.8, and the yield stress of the mild steel is 250 MPa, and it's malleable and ductile, and it is strong in tension and compression. Next, Milan will conclude the topic.
So the next one is the advantage and disadvantages. The advantage is it's mostly cost efficient, it's light in weight, and it's mostly eco-friendly because of using these eco-friendly materials such as coconut shell, bamboo, and the waste concrete. And the disadvantage is the workability is decreased due to the presence of waste concrete, but it takes longer time to establish. The conclusion of this E3 shelter is although it's designing and building of E3 shelter is still an upcoming practice, relatively a new methodology of construction, and it has enormous uncapped potential to construct this sector. By reusing this bamboo as a building material, it can sustain the effects of the building's embodied energy. Instead of using brick, the carbon emissions is decreased in the factory outlets because of using these bamboos as a reinforcement. Using the concrete shells as construction for this roof, it can save a lot of energy because we don't use any steel bars, and the reinforcement with the compromise the stability of the structure. Compared with the analysis of the cost of estimation with the latter because the shelter and the same dimension, it can be saved at 20% of the cost by using the bamboo and the coconut shells. The result is the execution and the experience of this project with bamboo, coconut shell, and waste concrete. It can be effectively utilized for building shelters without compromising any of the factors such as strength, durability, hygiene, and aesthetic without any reinforcement bars. By using bamboo as a reinforcement, it provides the required lighting micromatic control for E3 shelter. This technology can be effectively used for the construction of bus shelters, resource traffic posts, toll tax counters, petitions, public toilets, etc. The future scope is that it can be built up to a longer span and designed and tested. The plan, design, and estimation of longer family can be also do for these types of construction because it's low in cost. So we are ending our presentation, and thank you and have a nice day.
എടാ ആ സജോയുടെ ആ ടൈസിന്റെ അവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ അതൊന്നുകൂടെ പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ. എന്നാലും
ഇതിനകത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു കാര്യമില്ല, ഇത് ഓഡിയോ വേണ്ട.
ഇതിനകത്ത് ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ ഓഡിയോ ഒന്നും കേൾക്കത്തില്ല.
ആ ജസ്റ്റ് പോർഷൻ മാത്രം.
കണ്ടു മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത് ഇപ്പൊ
അങ്ങ് അടിച്ചോടാ, നോക്കണ്ട നീ, ഞാൻ ആ സ്ലോ മാറ്റിക്കോളാം.
അടിച്ചോ ആക്കട്ടെ.
മാത്രം സ്ലോ ആയിട്ട് ഇതിന് മാത്രം ആനിമേഷൻ, ബാക്കി ഒന്നുമില്ല ആനിമേഷൻ. താങ്ക് യു.
എന്തുവാ
ആനിമേഷനെ
ഇതെന്തു കഴിഞ്ഞോ?
ആ
താങ്ക് യു ഒന്നും ഞാൻ കണ്ടില്ല.
ഓ ഈ സമയം
എടാ വെറുതെ ഒന്നുകൂടെ അടി, നീ റെക്കോർഡിങ് നിർത്തണ്ട, ഒന്നുകൂടെ അടി.
ഇപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ
സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഒരു 2 സെക്കൻഡ് വെച്ച് അടിച്ചേ.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2
എനിക്ക് കട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ എളുപ്പത്തിനാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് 1 2 വെച്ച് അടിക്കാൻ.
1 2 1 2.
എന്റെ 100% നെറ്റ് രാവിലെ തീർന്നു. ഇനി ഞാൻ എവിടെ നിന്നിട്ട് നെറ്റ് വെച്ച് ചെയ്യണോ?
ഇങ്ങ് പോരെ. 1 2.
ശരിയാടാ, വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് 1 GB കിടപ്പോണ്ടാ. മറ്റേ ഗിഫ്റ്റ് വൗച്ചർ
കൂപ്പൺ കിടപ്പുണ്ടല്ലേ.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2
ഇതങ്ങ് അടിച്ചു കളഞ്ഞു. ഇത് 1 2 നീ എന്നാ
അത് ഇച്ചിരി വെറൈറ്റിയാ.
ഇടാ. ആ കാണാം, കുഴപ്പമില്ല, പോട്ടെ. നീ ഡ്രൈവിൽ ഇട്ടിട്ട് താ.
ഡ്രൈവില് അത് അവരെ
ഡ്രൈവ് വരണ്ടേ?
ഞാനല്ല ഇടുന്ന.
നീ എന്നാ സേവ് ചെയ്ത് ഡ്രൈവിൽ നിന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്താണോ?
ഡ്രൈവിൽ ഇപ്പോഴും